How to log out of your Facebook account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook. Enter your login credential and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this interface. Now head over to menu at the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down and at the bottom, you'll find the option where it says Logout. Simply click on Logout. One more time, click on Logout. There you go, you have been successfully logged out of your Facebook account. Once you log out of your account, you can still log into your account anytime you want to. Simply enter your mobile number or email address and enter the password of your account and click on Login in order to log into your account. So this way you can log in or log out anytime you want to, and then you'll be good to go. That's all for today, and this was a tutorial on how to log out of your Facebook account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching it till the end.